Today, direct from Indonesia, I'm making a delicious street food that's a special treat for pancake lovers. Stick around to check it out. Hi, welcome to Lily's International Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Martabak Manis, a thick Indonesian pancake which is one of the most famous desserts in Indonesia. There are many variations of this street pancake across East Asia, but today I'm going to make the one with a combination of cheese and chocolate. First, we are going to make the batter. Crack 1 egg. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Give it a really nice whisk so the sugar incorporates well into the egg. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk them well together. Now we are sifting about 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Have a teaspoon of salt. Add 1.5 cups of milk. Give it a nice stir until all lumps of flour are mixed away. This is the consistency you are looking for. Cover it and let it rest for about 1 to 2 hours. This resting period will develop the gluten that is going to make the pancake nice and dense, so don't skip this part. After 2 hours, our batter is ready. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda to a tablespoon of water. Stir it well. Add it to the batter and whisk it together. You shouldn't let the batter sit around at this point, and you should cook it immediately. I've already preheated my cast iron skillet on medium heat. Add some drops of oil and wipe them off with a napkin. Pour all the batter into the skillet. This amount of batter is good for one thick and fluffy pancake. Stir the pan so that it forms a crust on the edge like this. Soon you should start seeing some bubbles on top. Cook it for another 5 minutes or until you see lots of bubbles on top. Reduce the heat to low and sprinkle 1 tablespoon of sugar on the top. Cover the pan with a lid and let it steam to finish cooking. When the surface is completely cooked and dry like this, your pancake is ready. Gently slide the pancake out of the skillet. You can use a flat spatula to help remove it from the pan so you don't break it apart. It's time for the toppings. First, smear butter over the surface. In Indonesia, they add lots of butter on top, but to make it a bit healthier, I'm going to use just 1 tablespoon. When heated, the butter will melt and go into all the holes, so every bite is yummy and buttery. Gently cut the pancakes in half. You don't want to go all the way through. The cut is going to help you fold the pancake easily. On this side, Nutella and some chocolate sprinkles. If you don't want to add Nutella, just add chocolate sprinkles or maybe a few pieces of chocolate. On the other half, I'm adding some shredded cheese. As a final touch, I'm drizzling some condensed milk on the top. Your pancake is ready. You can slice it up in small pieces so it's easier to serve. If you're tired of the same old pancakes, this is an interesting variation to mix it up a bit. I'm sure everyone in your family is gonna love it. As I mentioned before, there are many versions of this pancake. Honestly, I made it one time with peanut butter and jelly and it turned out absolutely scrumptious. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe and tell your family and friends about my channel. And if you have any favorite dish that you would like us to feature on the channel, please leave a comment down below. I hope you enjoy it. Bon appetit!